Hi everyone, I'm here with you again at the Community Transit Break Room for another Atlas cooking demo. This week we're starting to look ahead to when our schedules inevitably start filling up again and getting ready for healthy eating on the go. It's important to make sure that you have a plan in place so that all of the progress you may have made with healthy eating or other healthy habits over quarantine doesn't start to fall behind. And so an important piece of that is thinking about healthy snacking. Snacks are really important in helping making sure that you're staying full and curbing any cravings you might have, and also for helping you feel energized throughout the day. And a really great snack choice is granola. Granola is awesome because it often has healthy fats, protein, fiber, and carbs, so it's really well balanced and really energizing. It's also great because it's super customizable. So you can change the nuts or the seeds or the flavors, the textures, whatever you put in it so that you don't get sick of having the same thing over and over again. So today's cooking demo recipe is small batch granola, which is great because it's a lot easier and quicker than large batch granola, and you don't have to have the same flavor over and over again for weeks on end. And it's also great because you can even make it in a toaster oven, which is what we'll be doing today. So let's take a look. For this recipe, you'll need a tablespoon of maple syrup, a tablespoon of melted butter or coconut oil if you prefer, a half teaspoon of vanilla, a quarter teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of salt, half a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of seeds. I'll be using pumpkin, but you could also use chia or flax or sunflower, whatever seed you like. You'll need a quarter cup of chopped nuts. I'll be using pecans, but you could also use walnuts, peanuts, almonds, whatever you enjoy there. You could also add 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, and I like to add a tablespoon of chocolate, but you could also add dried fruit or whatever other granola toppings you like. First things first, you'll need to preheat the oven to 325 degrees, or the toaster oven if that's what you're using. And then after that, we'll combine all the dry ingredients in a mixing bowl. So that's going to be the oats, the coconut, the seeds, the nuts, and the cinnamon and salt. Next, melt the butter and the maple syrup, and then we'll add in the vanilla, and then we'll add the dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together, making sure that you're stirring it well enough so that the dry ingredients are all evenly coated. And next, we'll use a spatula to evenly spread the granola on a baking sheet covered with parchment paper. And then pop it in the oven or toaster oven for 18 to 20 minutes, making sure to pull it out and stir it and rotate the tray halfway through. And once they look nice and golden and it starts to smell really good, you can pull it out of the oven. And that's when you'll add the chocolate or dried fruit that you might be adding. And when you're done, just let it cool completely, and then you can store it in an airtight container, either at room temperature or in the fridge if you like it a little extra crispy. And go ahead and add it to yogurt, or you can pour milk over it and have it like cereal. You can add it to trail mixes, just eating it on its own is good too, or with fruit. There's lots of different things you can do with granola. So have fun experimenting with the flavors and the different ways you choose to eat it. And if you want any more help with snack ideas or healthy eating on the go, feel free to contact me for a nutrition consult. Thank you.